the future belongs to those who believe in beauty of their dreams. Welcome to the Universal Media Presents 3rd Asia Leadership Awards 2025.
We are running an aviation institute called Ambience Fly.
Both of us own a company called as The Divine Journey by Spiritual Readers, which deals in occult science.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, requesting everyone to put your hands together for none other than the gorgeous, scintillating diva. Everybody, Sonali Bendre.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ आके. It's a pleasure to be here. It's the 3rd edition of Asia's Leadership Awards, and I think they've chosen, the name itself tells you it's Leadership Awards. That means everybody who's receiving an award is a leader in their own right, in their profession or in their field. And so congratulations first of all to all the winners. I think here we are recognizing people from education and healthcare, amazing fields, a lot of work goes into it. So all the best, and I hope you keep recognizing the hard work that goes into it. Special thanks to Dr. Kadam and Mr. Chauhan, Mr. Mishra. Thank you so much for having me here, giving me this opportunity. It's a pleasure to be here.
The next award is for the award for India's Best Skin and Hair Clinic, and the award goes to Clinic Dermatech Private Limited. Requesting Mr. Rajesh Singh, Chief Operating Officer of Clinic Dermatech Private Limited, to kindly join us on the stage to receive this award.
Hi sir, my name is Kajal and I am from Universal Media. Can I ask you some questions?
Sure.
Can you tell me about your journey and achievement?
See, my personal journey is actually attached with my brand's journey. So we are probably a 19-year-old company ruling the cosmetic dermatology department, and we are probably one of the best in the industry. And that doesn't stop us from being, an extreme better, because that's always been a striving of the brand to become the number one in the country. We've started from scratch, and now in 18 years we are a pan-India brand with good establishment, good reputation in the market. So overall, it has been an excellent journey, but there's no stopping to learning. Learning is an endless process, and considering the ecosystem which is changing very fast, it's an excellent environment for a brand like us to excel and become much more powerful and spread our wings to the other side of the country also.
Okay, so what are the solutions your brand is offering?
We are into cosmetic dermatology, so we are basically a brand wherein we are offering services in skincare, in hair care, slimming through technology. So we are a clinic level cosmetic dermatology brand.
So what are your future plans in digital age?
See, digital age is not something different. Digital has become a part of our ecosystem now. Correct? So the brand has to adapt these changes, integrate into their own process system, and then we have to grow. We are currently 22. We intend to be 50 in next 2 years, and probably in 5 years' time, we intend to reach around 100 centers in Pan India.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time.
Thanks, pleasure.